Every single day, over 30,000 websites are hacked. And if you think your small business blog or portfolio site is too insignificant to target, think again. Hackers use automated bots to find any site with a weakness. The good news, securing your WordPress site isn't as hard as you might think. You don't need to be a tech genius. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the essential step-by-step best practices for 2025 to turn your site from a target into a fortress. Let's get started. So this is your admin dashboard. This is your WordPress admin dashboard. You will head over to plugins. We are going to add two security plugins. These two security plugins are going to help you secure your website from being hacked at any point. But first, something you should note is all your plugins and themes should always be updated. WordPress should always be updated. Once you visit your admin dashboard, if you see this, make sure you click on please update now. When you click on please update now, it's going to bring you to this page. You can see the plugins that you need to update will be listed here. The themes you need to update will be listed here. And you see your WordPress version that you need to update will be listed here. Always update them because these are patches that hackers can use to penetrate into your website illegally. So the first plugin you need to do, the first thing you need to do is update your WordPress from here. I'll just click update here. This might take time to update. Once your WordPress is updated, you see is updating to the latest version. This is for demo purposes. I just wanted you to know you need to be on the updated version. Once you're done updating your plugins and themes and the version of your WordPress, go to plugins, click on add new plugin. Let's add the plugins, the security plugins we want for our website. The first plugin we'll go for is Wordfence. Just type Wordfence. This is the one we need. This first one, just click on install now. You see different options, right? We're going with this first one. It's more like a general option. Click on activate. Now you need to get your license, your Wordfence license key. It's free, so you just need to, if you have Wordfence already, you can use this other button. But this, I'm sure those who are watching this video, this will be your first time getting it. So get your license key. You need to use your email. So you see here there are premium versions. We have Wordfence Premium, Wordfence Care, and Wordfence Response. You can see the different prices for those who want to go maybe with the paid versions. If you're running a large business on your website, the paid versions is advisable. But in this video, we're just going to click on get a free. So we are going with the free version. Once you click on it, you have to input your email. I'll just use my email. Now you see this page, they say you are almost done. Your license key has been sent to my email, right? So I will go to my email and copy my license key. They say check your email to complete the installation. You can also request free keys on the license page when logged into your Wordfence. Let's go ahead to do that. This is my email, and you see the latest email I just received is from Wordfence. Now I'll click here to install my license key automatically. Note that I'm using the same browser. I'm logged in the same browser. This is my license key. So I'll click on install now. You can see the notification here. Wordfence is installing. Free license installed. Congratulations, Wordfence free is now active on your website. Go to dashboard. Now we have our first security plugin. You see, this is your dashboard. You can go through all this. They are just trying to make you understand how the whole plugin is working, right? The Wordfence dashboard provides valuable insight into the current state of your site security. You will find useful data summarized here, as well as important status updates and notification. You can just click on next and read and read and read. I will not go through that. So here you see the firewall. We have currently leading in mode. We have 48% here. We have scan detection of security issues, 60%. This is when you have premium. The premium I just showed you. If you have the premium, you have more features to see here. But the free version is still very fine. So you can just go through this to see. This is the dashboard here too as well. We have firewall here. If you click on firewall, you see other options as well. You can read all of this. It's important to read them and understand what is going on. You can click on scan. So what this plugin does is it helps block hackers from accessing your website. But the second plugin we are going to be installing will notify you whenever anything is happening in your website. Even when you log into your website, the plugin will have to notify you. So this works together. Like if anybody is trying to maybe brute force into your login page, it's going to notify you. But this Wordfence is going to block any hacker depending on their attack mode, maybe from injection, SSL injection, or whatever they want to do. Is going to block them, and the second plugin is going to notify you. So like I said, just go through this plugin and read whatever is happening to understand what the plugin does. The second plugin we're going to install is Sucuri. Just go ahead and add new plugin. Go to the search plugin section and search Sucuri security. Once you search, you are going to see this plugin, this highlighted plugin. Click on install now. You can see from here it has 700 plus active installations. So it's a very good security plugin as well. Click on activate. Once the plugin is activated, you're going to see this extension here. Hover on it, you'll see vulnerability scanner, firewall management, two-factor authentication, last login. You can click on last login. You see successful login, no data. Whenever anybody logs in, like an admin, they'll show you. If they are users, they'll show you the users. Those who try to log in and fail, they'll show you. If I click on log in users, you see we have one user here, which is the admin. They tell you the time, last activity, registered, IP address that they use. Everything is shown here. So it's a very good security plugin. These two plugins will help secure your WordPress website from malicious hackers. If you love this video and want me to drop more videos on WordPress tips or web projects, don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. Hit the notification button so that whenever I drop a video, YouTube will notify you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.